Cleaning grout doesn't have to be a headache, especially when you have the right cleaner in hand. From stubborn stains to unsightly buildup, the best grout cleaner can restore the look of your floors with minimal effort. In this video, we'll explore some of the top-rated options that deliver impressive results. By the end, you'll know exactly which one to choose for a cleaner, brighter grout. Let's jump in! Ultimate Grout Cleaner. The Ultimate Grout Cleaner by Black Diamond Stoneworks is a powerful solution for those who want professional-grade results without hiring a cleaning service. It features an acid-free formula that's tough on dirt and grime, yet gentle enough for colored grout and natural stone surfaces like marble, ceramic, and granite. With its ability to restore grout to its original color, this cleaner breathes new life into tile floors, making them look brand new. Its versatility is another standout feature. You can use it with a grout brush for hands-on cleaning, or pair it with a steam cleaning machine for a deeper clean. The formula penetrates deep into grout lines to tackle years of embedded dirt, grease, and stains, proving especially effective in kitchens and bathrooms. While some users note that achieving the best results requires a bit of elbow grease, the cleaner's ability to remove stubborn grime with minimal damage to surfaces sets it apart. Though it lacks additional features like scent customization or eco-certified ingredients, the Ultimate Grout Cleaner delivers exactly what you need for professional-level cleaning at home. For homeowners and renters alike, it's an affordable, high-performance solution for sparkling floors and refreshed spaces. Mrs. Meyer's Tub and Tile Cleaner. Mrs. Meyer's Tub and Tile Cleaner earns its reputation as a top bathroom cleaning solution by combining powerful performance, eco-friendly ingredients, and a delightful lavender scent. This versatile cleaner is formulated to tackle soap scum and hard water stains effectively, leaving your bathroom surfaces sparkling. From shower doors and tiles to toilet seats and sinks, it delivers consistent, reliable results across various surfaces. What sets this cleaner apart is its plant-derived ingredients, which offer a safer alternative to harsh chemicals commonly found in other products. It's not only gentle on surfaces, but also on the environment, making it a great choice for eco-conscious households. The calming lavender fragrance is an added bonus, transforming a chore into a more pleasant experience. Additionally, Mrs. Meyer's commitment to cruelty-free practices ensures that this product is Leaping Bunny certified, offering peace of mind to ethically minded consumers. Its user-friendly formula is easy to apply, simply spray and wipe clean. While it isn't suitable for use on natural marble or wood, its overall performance and thoughtful formulation make it a standout option. For anyone seeking an effective and environmentally responsible cleaner, Mrs. Meyer's Tub and Tile Cleaner strikes the perfect balance between quality and care. Better Life Bathroom Cleaner. The Better Life Bathroom Cleaner redefines bathroom cleaning with its eco-friendly formulation and versatile performance, making it a favorite for those seeking both effectiveness and sustainability. Featuring a plant-based formula infused with tea tree and eucalyptus oils, this cleaner offers a natural alternative to harsh chemical products, ensuring safety for families and pets. Its foaming spray tackles soap scum, hard water stains, and grime effortlessly, leaving surfaces like tiles, grout, sinks, and shower doors sparkling clean. The standout feature of this cleaner is its gentle, non-toxic composition. Free from chlorine, bleach, petroleum solvents, and parabens, it's not only tough on dirt, but also kind to sensitive skin and respiratory systems. The refreshing tea tree and eucalyptus scent elevate the cleaning experience, transforming it from a chore to a moment of aromatherapeutic calm. While it's not designed to remove rust or red iron stains, its overall performance and focus on natural ingredients make it a reliable choice for everyday cleaning. The inclusion of one reusable sprayer in the 2-pack emphasizes its commitment to reducing waste. For those who value effective cleaning without compromising on health or environmental impact, the Better Life Bathroom Cleaner strikes a perfect balance, proving that powerful cleaning can come with a conscience. Scrubbing Bubbles Bathroom Cleaner. The Scrubbing Bubbles Bathroom and Shower Cleaner stands out as a powerful ally for tackling tough bathroom grime while leaving your space sparkling clean and fresh. Its foaming action effortlessly adheres to surfaces, breaking down stubborn soap scum and grime for an efficient cleaning experience. The bright citrus scent not only masks odors but also leaves a refreshing, clean aroma that enhances your bathroom's atmosphere. This cleaner is versatile enough to handle a wide variety of surfaces, from tubs and shower walls to sinks, countertops, and chrome fixtures. Its disinfectant properties ensure a hygienic finish by eliminating 99.9% of bacteria when used as directed. making it an excellent choice for health-conscious users. The spray bottle design offers ease of application, allowing you to target hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. While it excels at soap scum removal, it does not address rust or hard water stains, and spot testing is advised for unlisted surfaces. Still, the Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner offers reliable performance for everyday cleaning and is part of a trusted product line that caters to complete bathroom maintenance. For those seeking a dependable and multi-surface cleaner with disinfectant benefits, this product delivers outstanding value, combining cleanliness with convenience. The Zep Grout Cleaner. The Zep Grout Cleaner and Brightener is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a powerful, professional-grade solution to tackle stubborn grout stains. This 32-ounce bottle offers a deep-cleaning, bleach-free formula that works wonders on both white and colored grout, making it versatile for various tile installation. The product is specially formulated to lift tough stains and restore grout lines to their original brightness with minimal scrubbing. It's perfect for use on tile floors, including ceramic, porcelain, and other common materials. What sets the Zep Grout Cleaner apart is its pro-strength acidic formula that's effective even on older stains, yet it's safe to use on most floors with grout lines. It's an ideal solution for homeowners looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience, as it reduces the need for excessive scrubbing. The product's natural scent makes it a pleasant alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. While the cleaner is not suitable for sensitive surfaces like marble or stainless steel, it excels at grout restoration, providing noticeable results after just one application. For anyone struggling with discolored grout, this product is a must-try. It not only brightens the grout, but also helps maintain its long-term appearance.